At the heart of the 2025 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS is the same 1,160 cubic centimeters inline-3 engine that contributed to the popularity of its predecessor. With 180 horsepower at 10,750 RPM and 125 Nm of torque at 9,000 RPM, this bike offers an exhilarating ride. The new throttle response and upgraded fueling system offer smoother acceleration without sacrificing the aggressive character riders love. Triumph has balanced the power band to be easier to access throughout the rev range. Cruising along in second gear or harebrained on the interstate, the Triple provides an enticing and forgiving power profile. The lightweight frame and engine loaded with torque turn it into a monster on urban streets and twisty back roads. One of the Speed Triple's best strengths has always been its razor-sharp and communicative handling, and the 2025 RS model continues in this tradition. With a twin-spar aluminum frame, the bike is purposely light at 198 kilograms, wet weight, making it one of the lightest in its sector. This delivers amazing flickability and handling, whether carving up corners or negotiating urban traffic. The Öhlins suspension kit remains a standout, with an Öhlins NX30 fork with complete adjustability up front and a TTX36 monoshock at the rear. The pairing provides excellent damping characteristics, providing a firm feel at speed and absorbing bumps well on city adventures. Brembo Stylema calipers and twin 320mm discs at the front provide the 2025 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS with aggressive braking power. The rear of the bike receives a 220mm disc brake assembly with a Brembo caliper to provide it with a balanced braking system. Cornering ABS and rider modes provide a sense of safety and control even at high levels. Triumph has fitted the 2025 Speed Triple 1200 RS with world-class technology that matches its performance level. 6-axis IMU-based electronics package includes cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, multiple ride modes, rain, road, sport, track, custom. The 5-inch TFT LCD has also been updated with improved graphics, improved readability even in direct sunlight, and wire-free Bluetooth connectivity. Navigation, calls, and music are made available to riders through Triumph's MyTriumph app, making it a decent tech package. Although the Speed Triple has ever been an aggressive streetfighter, in 2025 Triumph has neatened its ergonomics. The seat is still comfortably firm, with support for short and long trips. The riding position is sporty but still responsive, with handlebars slightly higher than on the previous bike to give more leverage without too much wrist tension. The redesigned fuel tank also enhances knee grip, with high-speed cornering becoming even more intuitive. While wind protection is limited, as would be the case on a naked bike, the brief headlight cowl does provide some deflection of wind at speed. In terms of styling, the 2025 Speed Triple 1200 RS goes on with its aggressive and minimalist styling. The LED twin headlamps with DRLs on the bike cast a menacing, predatory image. The aggressive bodywork, sculpted fuel tank, and short tail unit reinforce its racing design. The 2025 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS is priced at about $18,500. While that positions it in the high-end segment, power, agility, and tech justify the price tag. Its competition includes Ducati Streetfighter V4, more powerful but way more costly. KTM 1290 Super Duke R, more torque-focused but less refined electronics. BMW S1000R, techno-intensive but less engaging engine note-wise. For those who are looking for raw aggression, agility, and cutting-edge technology combined, the Speed Triple 1200 RS remains one of the best on offer.